Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 7 Pro Premium Bundle. I picked this up on the OnePlus website, and thanks to all your referral link purchases, I actually only paid shipping for this. So if you go ahead and use the referral link to buy a OnePlus device down in the description below, I will post it in the description. As I said, you get a $10 voucher for an accessory, so you save $10 when you buy a case, an extra charger, or a bundle like this. So make sure you go ahead and check that link out. No cost to you, but you do save $10. You get a $10 voucher to pick up some accessories for your device. And I get some points which I can redeem on stuff like this. And I'm able to show you guys. So this is going to be a case, a charger, some packing peanuts. So first things first, I'm going to just do it one at a time here. We have the OnePlus Nylon bumper case, which is a really nice case. I had one of these on my 6T, and it's a really nice case. It's got a great feel to it. The nylon is very rugged and easy to grip in the hand. Let's see if I can get it open here. I don't know why they have to tape this stuff shut. It's not like it's gonna just come flying out. Let's see. There we go. Maybe. And they use like the world's stickiest tape. So, nice case, as I said. You can pick this up by itself, or you can get it as part of the bundle. So that's what it looks like right there, just a nylon case. The bumper case has the edges on it as well. I'll put this on the phone in a minute after I open up the other items. Next thing we have is a OnePlus. This is the warp charge cable right here. So warp charge Type-C cable. This is the 150 centimeter. They were out of the other one. They do sell this in a 100 centimeter as well. Now changing the size of this and changing the case do affect the cost. So just keep that in mind when you bundle it. The cost does change based on what you get. Just going to rip the box, not dealing with the tape anymore. So cool thing about this is this has a nice wire management clip on it, and also is a flat cable, whereas the one on the one that comes with the phone is just a regular standard, circular cable, I guess you would call it. This is a flat cable. Going to be tangle free. OnePlus branding on it as well. Very nice cable. I'll probably use this at my desk with my secondary warp charger, which is the next thing in the box. Right here we have the OnePlus Warp Charge 30. Now, a lot of people on XDA were a bit confused about the dash charge, the fast charge, and the warp charge. If you had a device, I want to say anywhere up until the 6, it supported what they called dash charge. The 6T just used fast charge, and now the 7 Pro uses warp charge. If you use a fast charge or dash charge brick with the 7 Pro, you will just get regular charging speeds. It's not going to fast charge it. The fast charging method on the 7 Pro is warp charge. So you have to have a warp charge charger and a warp charge cable to get the warp charge speeds. So you can't mix and match your fast charge and your warp charge cable, or your warp charge and your old cable, stuff like that. It's not going to work. This sends 6 amps to the phone, so you need a cable that is capable of that. So for that reason, just for safety and stuff like that, OnePlus doesn't allow third-party cable to obtain warp charge. So this is just the same brick that came with your phone, nothing special. There's some plastic on it right here. I'll get that off in a minute. Not going to spend time on video ripping all that stuff off. But just your fast charge, warp charge brick, warp charge 30 right here. And last but not least, in the bundle, you get your USB-C OnePlus earbuds. So as you can see, earphones right here. They call them the bullets. Now these are not the wireless ones. OnePlus does have wireless headphones available for $99 if you want to pick them up. I don't know if you can use a voucher for those or not. I think the vouchers are only for cases and accessories and stuff like that, and by accessories I mean cases and chargers and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure they're considering the headphones a separate device, not an accessory to the OnePlus, because you can't use a voucher to purchase the device either. It is only once you buy the device you get the $10 voucher. So right here, just Type-C earbuds, nothing special about them. They came with a bundle. I don't really know how much I'll use them, but like I said, they came with a bundle, and I had a $100 voucher, so this didn't cost me anything, so I picked up the whole bundle and just got a little bit of everything. Like I said, if you want, you can purchase all this separately, but this bundle with this case and the headphones and the charger with the 150mm cable runs you about $101 plus shipping, which was $6.99 just for the standard shipping or $9.99 for expedited shipping. But there you go, that's what the case looks like. Really, really nice feel to it. Your button works and everything like that. Buttons are tactile and clicky. You can get to your lock switch, or not your lock switch, your mute and ringer switch right here. No issues whatsoever. Very, very nice case. Very nice OnePlus branding on the back. It's nice and white. Very easy to see, so if you want to sport that you have a OnePlus device, there you go right there. But very easy. It is kind of, it's not a fabric-y feel, it almost is kind of like a slick feel, but it's definitely not slippery or anything like that. So that is the case and everything like that in the bundle. Let's see, let me get rid of the address portion of the slip right here, and I will show you what everything is. So here we go. You can see we have Type-C bullets, nylon bumper case, warp charge 30 power adapter, and warp charge Type-C cable, 150 centimeters. So that's what I got. Like I said, use that link down in the description below. It helps me out. It gives me the ability to get stuff like this at no cost to me, and as well you save $10 so you can get a case or a charger. If you need a second charger for the car, for the house, stuff like that, you save a little bit of money on that as well. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.